Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Thrifty Fly DIY. I'm your girl, Denise Joy. In today's video, I am sharing with you all my transformation of an old, outdated, worn out Pouf Foot Stool, and I transformed it using Tulip Fabric Paint and my acrylic paint and a few brushes and made it into functional art. Check it out. The first thing I did was spray paint the old worn out Pouf using True Black from Tulip Fabric spray paint, and it's a true black. It took me about 4 cans to get this Pouf transformed from that green to this gorgeous true black. I'll drop a link down below so you can grab your own cans, and they come in multiple colors. Next step, I sketched out a design and painted it on the Pouf. I'm using regular acrylic paint. Acrylic paint is wonderful. It adheres to fabric. It comes in a wide variety of colors. I have signature colors that I love to use when I'm painting on fabric. You can pick whatever colors inspire you. I do that first layer of white twice, just so I can get really crisp, clear lines in my design. At this stage, I've built out the base design so that I can go back and do the intricate layering and add a little color. Many people ask me, do I have the entire design preset in my imagination? And the answer is no. I do a general loose sketch, and I really am a intuition-based artist, and I really allow the design to speak to me literally in the moment. Hey you all, be sure to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and take care of that. Also, leave a comment and let me know what inspired you about this video. This completed functional art footstool Pouf is going to be a gift. I'm installing it in episode number 3 of DIY Duo Redesign. If you haven't checked it out, click the link up above and watch it right after this video. As you can see, now I'm adding more of the detail work into the base design. And again, the design is fluid and it's changing from moment to moment. Honestly, I really am stunned most times by what comes out of my imagination and ends up being art. Me, you can do this. Really just let your imagination play, run free, relax into it, and go with your inspiration. This Tulip Fabric Paint, it is excellent. I mean, it gives the best coverage out there. I've tried traditional spray paints and other fabric spray paints, and this beats them all. It's wonderful for your outdoor furniture and even some of that indoor furniture, like this Pouf that I've done. I did this project in 2 different stages. I painted the base design one weekend, then I got busy doing a bunch of other projects for DIY Duo Redesign and just my regular videos here to help you all with painted furniture, how to recover benches, stuff like that. Those links to those videos are down in the description. The second part, I did this in one single day. When I did the detail work, I did all of that in one day. Now it's time to add some color. Again, I said earlier that I use signature colors in all of my paintings, whether I'm doing paintings on canvas. Most of the time I'm painting on fabric. My favorite fabric to paint on is mud cloth. This fabric Pouf is going to get my signature colors as well. I'm using turquoise and a wonderful shade of orange to give it that pop. Time to add the orange. The technique that I'm using here is called the stippling. It's a stippling brush, and I'm stippling that paint into that design. I do recommend that you use high quality paint brushes because you're going to get much better control of the paint when you use the kinds of bristles that are in higher quality paint brushes. I'll drop the links to some of my favorite budget-friendly high quality brushes down in the description. Wow, isn't she a beauty? I'm going to let you all give her a name. Drop the name that you think that this piece should be called. Put it in the comments below, and I'll select a name and I'll share the results. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video.